Kettlebell workouts can be a game changer, even if you have just 30 minutes to spare. Uh, um, they, they're efficient, dynamic, and incredibly effective. Imagine a full body blast using just one piece of equipment. But let's break it down step by step. First things first, choosing the right kettlebell. It should be heavy enough to challenge you, yet light enough to maintain control. For beginners, 15 to 25 pounds is a sweet spot, while seasoned lifters might reach for 30 to 50 pounds. Remember, control is key. Before jumping in, warm up is crucial. Spend 5 minutes with jumping jacks, arm circles, and hip rotations to get your blood moving. Not warming up properly is like driving a car with icy windows. Dangerous and not advisable. We'll start with the kettlebell swing, classic move that targets your entire posterior chain. Hold the kettlebell with both hands, hinge at your hips, and thrust it forward. Your arms should be levers, not lifters. Swing for 12 to 15 reps. Next up is the goblet squat. Perfect for legs and core. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest and squat down as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and don't let those knees collapse inward. Repeat for 10 reps. And Turkish get up might sound exotic, but it's a robust full body exercise. And start laying on your back. Hold the kettlebell directly above your shoulder and proceed to stand up step by step. It's a careful orchestrated dance that activates stabilizer muscles, and feeling the burn, great. Let's throw in the kettlebell deadlift to further strengthen those glutes. Stand with feet hip width apart, bend at the hips, and lower the kettlebell. Keep your back straight and explode back up. Perform 12 reps. For upper body focus, the kettlebell clean and press is a killer move. Pull the kettlebell up to shoulder level and press it overhead. This compound exercise will tax your shoulders and arms, yielding great results. Attempt 8 reps per side. Need a challenge for the core. The Russian twist is your friend here. Sit with feet elevated, leaning back slightly, and twist the kettlebell side to side. Keep your movement controlled to maximize core engagement. Aim for 16 twists total. Finish strong with a kettlebell lunge, pass through. As you lunge forward, pass the kettlebell underneath your forward leg. It's a killer way to wrap up your session by building balance, coordination, and strength. And go for 10 per leg. Pro tip, focus on form before increasing kettlebell weight. Sprained ankle or pulled muscle is a fast track ticket to injury town. And listen to your body and take a break if your form starts to falter. It's not a race. Lastly, cool down. Stretch out those muscles, emphasizing glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders. Bring down your heart rate gradually with deep breathing. Never skip this step if you want to avoid muscle soreness and recover swiftly. So there you have it, folks. A versatile 30-minute kettlebell workout that can reinvigorate your fitness regime. Whether in Portland or anywhere else, this routine can fit seamlessly into a busy schedule. No excuses needed. and happy lifting.